Hello friends! Today we will focus on how to create a personal development plan template. Personal development is a great tool for an individual to discover their own talents, reach their goals and maximize their potential. Therefore, a personal development plan is a guide to targeting progress in areas that are important to you. The first step in creating a personal development plan is to evaluate yourself. Take some time for yourself to identify your goals and strengths. For example, do you want a healthier lifestyle? Or do you want to advance in your career? Want to improve a particular skill? This evaluation phase allows you to clarify where you are and where you want to go. The next step is to set your goals. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound. For example, instead of being healthier, set a more specific goal like exercise 3 times a week and eat a healthier diet. Once you have set your goals, you need to plan how you will achieve them. Here, it's important to create a calendar or list to identify steps, dates, and resources. For example, you can prepare a weekly training program to meet your exercise goal or get support from a dietitian to create a healthier diet. When creating a personal development plan, it's also important to get feedback and track your progress. Share your goals and plan with the people you trust in your close circle. They can support you and motivate you. Also, monitor your progress regularly and update your plan as needed. When you achieve a certain goal, give yourself small rewards to celebrate your success. Remember, the personal development process is like a marathon. Don't expect quick results. Be patient and constantly strive to improve yourself. Once you reach a goal, set a new goal and continue your journey. The process of creating a personal development plan begins with identifying the steps that are most appropriate for you. There are many different templates and methods available, but the general framework I will share with you can help you create your own personal development plan. Evaluation and goal setting. Assess yourself. Identify your strengths and weaknesses, talents and interests. What are the areas in which you are successful and what are the aspects you want to develop? Set your goals. Set your short and long-term goals. With your priorities in mind, set SMART goals and embody them. Make sure each of your goals is measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound. Planning. Identify the steps. Identify the steps necessary to achieve each of your goals. Write these steps down step by step and arrange them in order of priority. Resources and assistance. Identify the resources you will need to achieve your goals. These resources can be a variety of resources, such as books, training programs, mentoring or expert help. Research how you can access these resources and include them in your plan. Application. Create a calendar or list. Once you've set your goals and steps, create a calendar or list to organize them. Schedule each step by connecting it to a specific date. Motivation and discipline. Keep your motivation high to reach your goals. Add reminders to yourself or create a supportive environment to increase your motivation. Be disciplined and follow your plan regularly. Monitoring and evaluation. Track progress. Review your plan regularly and track your progress. Give yourself feedback and monitor your progress. Make adjustments. Make changes to your plan as needed. Update your plan as you complete certain steps or set new goals. Support and sharing. Seek support. Getting support on your journey is important. Share your goals with people you trust in your close circle and ask for their support. You can also take advantage of resources such as mentoring or coaching. Share. Share your experiences and learnings with others. Blog. Join a community, or post on social media. This will both inspire you and guide others. Remember, your personal development plan is specific to you and should reflect your goals. Create your plan with a constructive approach and review it continuously. Go step by step using this plan to improve yourself, and you will see a big change over time. You can use the Personal Development Plan template to get to know yourself, set your goals, and plan. Remember, everyone's personal development journey is different, so create the plan that works best for you and move forward. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Good luck, smiley face.